Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English literature, and today's topic is about the lesson number 3, The Little Math Sailor. It's question and exercises, book exercises. First question is, what did the little girl see when she struck the match for the several times? Answer is, when the little girl struck the first matchstick in its light, she saw a real fire, but it disappeared when the matchstick blew out. Now, second point is, when she rubbed another matchstick in its light, she imagined to see room with a delicious hot dinner. Then, the third point is, in the light of the third matchstick, she saw a beautifully decorated Christmas tree. She also saw a shooting star. Then, in the eighth, in exercise D, in the light of the fourth matchstick, she saw her dead grandmother was carried her in her arms to the heaven. The little girl had frozen to death. So there are 4 points in this first question. First, in the first one, she saw a real fire, but it disappeared. In the second one, she rubbed another matchstick in its light. She imagined the see a room with a delicious hot dinner. Then in the third matchstick, she saw a decorated Christmas tree and a shooting star. And in the last and the fourth matchstick, she saw her grandmother who carried her in her arm to the heaven. That means that little girl had frozen to death. Now, bookwork. First, it was a Christmas Eve. It was a New Year's Eve. It was a New Year's Eve. When the little girl saw the falling star in the thought, it was an aeroplane. No, it was something is dying. Yes, it is right. Then the third one, the girl burned the whole bundle of matchstick because she wished to see the Christmas tree. No, she wished to see the snowflakes clearly. No, she wished to keep her warm. Yes, it is right. Then fourth one, the girl struck the matchbox because she wanted to warm her hands. She wanted to play with the matches. She wanted to light the stove. She wanted to burn the forest. No, she wanted to warm her hands. Fill in the blanks with the suitable phrases. The girl felt cold because the snow was falling. The snow was falling. Second one, the girl earned money by selling matchboxes. It was the last night of the year. The girl wanted her grandmother to stay with her. And the last one is, the on the New Year's Day, people saw the little girl was dead. True or false? The little math seller belonged to a rich family? No, she was from a poor family, so it is a false. There was no people on the roads to buy matches due to the cold war weather? False. The little girl saw her grandmother when she lit the match? Yes, it is true. The little girl remembered the past when her family was poor? False. The next day, people saw the little match seller dancing on the street? No, it's a false. Now, your grammar skill. The man did not have food to eat. The little girl went out to play in the garden. Third, hundreds of children could play in the large playground. The rains were wonderful after the hot summer. And fifth one is the beautiful actress was liked by all. And here match the adjectives with the synonyms. Same synonyms mean the same meaning word. Simple, easy, good, kind, bad, naughty, correct, right, and difficult, hard. Now here antonyms means opposite word. See, dry, wet, cool, warm, expensive, cheap, rough, smooth, strong, weak. And this is for your homework. First one is written, the sun shone brightly. Rest you have to write yourself. It's your homework. Now match subject with the predicate. Kamala is my best friend. The television has a remote control. The girl child must be educated. My friends always helps us. The dentist has a mirror on his forehead. We must obey our elders. A teacher is like a candle which burns itself to give light to both, and surgeons conduct operations. Now predicate. Dash has a rhyming lines. A poem has a rhyming line. A dash is a working in the field. A farmer is working in the field. Okay. Dash runs on petrol. A car runs on petrol. Then fourth one. A dash hit the boat and it overturned. It's a storm. A storm. A sailor worked on the ship. Ram walked down the road in my slippers. You can write any other's name also. He wrote an interesting book. He, she, they. Smoking is a bad habit. He behaved very badly in front of the principal, and teacher checked our notebooks. It's an experience of the little girl on the cold dark night. You have to write few words on them. So the little match girl faced extremely cold weather with icy winds turning her limbs numb. She had lost her oversized slippers and her old clothes could not protect her from cold. No one purchased her matchboxes nor showed pity on her condition. She was left alone on the road where she eventually froze to death. This you have to write in your book. Now it's your homework. 4 questions are there. 2 you have to write in your homework. First, how old is she? See the picture, then you can write it. What is she wearing? Who is this lady? How does she look? 2 more questions you have to write here in a 5th and the 6th. It's your homework. So that's all for today's session. We will meet once again in our next session with a new topic, with a new lesson. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.